Hi all, welcome to our class. In this class, we can study the last portion of our chapter. The topic is Pythagoras theorem. So we have studied Pythagoras theorem in previous classes. So we know what is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. We have studied. So we are going to understand Pythagoras theorem in chapter triangles in relation with the similarity and squares of the areas of ratios of the areas of the triangles as well as the ratios of the sides. In relation with, we are going to study Pythagoras theorem. So we know Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle, we have right angle ABC, right angle at B. So the hypotenuse, squares of the hypotenuse, this is the AB, is the altitude or height, or simply say two legs. AB and BC are the legs we normally say. So AB and BC, two sides, AC is the hypotenuse. So the squares of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is hypotenuse square is equal to the squares of the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is known as Pythagoras theorem. So the converse of Pythagoras, that also we have to study converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Converse of the Pythagoras theorem. If AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. If AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, then we have to prove that angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. This is the converse. So, if in a right angle, this condition satisfies, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So, that is known as Pythagoras theorem. Or the converse of the Pythagoras theorem is, if this condition satisfies, we have to prove angle ABC is 90 degrees. So, no need to understand the proof, just understand the statement and we can do the proofs. So, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is the hypotenuse square, is the Pythagoras theorem. Let us discuss some questions. First one, ABC is an equilateral triangle of sides 2A. Find each of its altitude. Find each of its altitude. So we have a triangle ABC. An equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. So an equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So this side is 2A. This side is 2A. This side is 2A. So let us draw a perpendicular 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree perpendicular. That is the height, altitude. So AD is the altitude. That means 90 degree perpendicular. So ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. So we have all three sides are 2A. So we know 2A, 2A, 2A. Let us consider triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Let us consider triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Two triangles ADB and ADC. We have to find this side. So before that, first we consider triangle ADB and triangle ADC. So in order to using Pythagoras theorem to get the height, we know this side. So let us find this side. So ADB and ADC we take. We know angle B, ADB, angle ADB is equal to angle ABC. Is equal to 90 degree. Both angles are 90 degree. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Both are 90 degree. Then ADB. So angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, which is equal to 90 degree. And we have AB is equal to AC. We have AB is equal to AC. It is given that AB is equal to AC. Both are 2A. Sides of the triangle is given that AB is equal to A equilateral triangle So it is beyond that. AB is equal to AC. So angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, and AB is equal to AC, which is equal to 2A. Both are given. So these two triangles are congruent by RHS congruence criterion. These two triangles are triangle ADB and triangle ADC are congruent. RHS is equal to triangle ADB and triangle ADC are congruent. So triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. Then we can say that BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. The reason is corresponding parts of congruent triangle BD is equal to C. But we know BC is equal to 2A. So these two are equal parts. So B is the midpoint. So we can say that BD is equal to A. This is A and this is a total 2A. So we can take BD is equal to 2A. So let us say that these two, this is 90 degree, this is A, this is 2A, then this is a right triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem we can apply, that is AD square, that you have to find altitude square, which is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Here we have to find altitude square, so AD square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square, that is BD square. AB square, AB is 2A square minus BD square, A square. So 4A square, 2A square means 4A square minus A square. AD square is equal to 3A square. Therefore AD is equal to root 3. So AD is equal to root 3. So the height, the altitude is equal to root 3. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the altitude. AD is equal to root 3A. The question: a ladder 10 meter long reaches window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So we have a wall. The height of the wall is 8 meter. A ladder reaches the window, 10 meter long reaches the window, 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So we have to find the distance between the foot of the ladder and the base of the wall. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find the high distance between the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So we know this is the hypotenuse, this is the altitude, this is the base. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. We have AB square plus BC square, which is equal to AC square. Using this, we can easily find the distance between the ladder and the foot of the base of the wall. That is AB square. AB square is A square plus BC square. BC square we have to find out. AC square 10 square. Therefore BC square is equal to 10 square minus 8 square, which is equal to 100 minus 8 square 64. Therefore BC square is equal to 36. Therefore this question was done in small classes, simple question. So BC square is equal to 36. Therefore BC is equal to root 36. That is 6. So 6 meter. So 6 meter. So the distance between the foot of the wall and the foot of the ladder is distance between the base of the wall and foot of the ladder is 6 meters. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the distance. So BC is equal to 6 meters. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC. AB square is equal to AC square. Prove that ABC is a right triangle. So we have triangle ABC with the isosceles triangle AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. And we have one more condition. AB square is equal to 2AC square. So we have to prove that ABC is right triangle. So given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC, and also given AB square is equal to 2AC square. So I am going to write AB square is equal to AC square. It is given that it is a given thing. AB square is equal to AC square. Here I am going to write AB square which is equal to 2AC square. Instead of 2AC square, I am going to write AC square plus AC square is cut. AB square is equal to 2AC square. Instead of this AC square, I am going to write AC square plus AC square, that is 2AC square. But we have given that AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. So I am going to write for one AC square, I am going to give instead of AC substitute BC. Given that AC is equal to BC, so AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square, that is AC square plus BC square. AC is equal to BC. So for one AC, I gave BC. So AC square plus BC square. So we have AB square plus AC square. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So AC square plus BC square. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So we have this condition. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. We have to prove that ABC is right triangle. But we have this condition by the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. We can write that if this condition satisfies, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, triangle ABC is right triangle. Triangle ABC is right triangle. So triangle ABC is right triangle. So AB square plus AC square plus BC square, by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle ABC is right triangle.